Mailbag! And there's a lot of stuff that has accumulated, so let's dig in. So that package is obviously too long to fit it here into the shot, but yeah, it has a zipper here to open it, which is nice. And out comes something long, I guess. Oh, there's mostly space inside here. Yeah, something else in here. Nope. And this is simply a, come on, let's get it out, a metal rod, 500 millimeters, hopefully. And yes, it's exactly, or almost exactly 500 millimeters. And yeah, the ends are cut okay, I'd say. The only question remaining is if it's hardened. So and I have to say, can you see that? No, it's obviously not hardened. You can see where the file bite here, right there. But it should be good enough for what I want to do with it. And yeah, it will also be easier to shorten it, that is to saw it, when it's not hardened. And that was my linear guide rod, 8 millimeters diameter, 500 millimeter long, hardened, not, okay, from a Roboterbausatz, roughly translated robot kit for yeah, $4 plus $2.50 shipping. Yeah, it was a big package, and yeah, I bought everything from eBay Germany, avoiding delivery from China, and yeah, because of these troubled times, I wanted the stuff to arrive. And then we have a big package from Thomann. Music is our passion. Yeah, they have a website. That was not from eBay, so I won't show you any listing for it. Yeah, it's either Thomann.de or Thomann.com or both. Whatever, you'll find it. Or maybe I go on the website and try to find it again. So, a lot of paper, and we take that away. And it's a cable. Plain and simple. It's a cable. And it's, as you can see, a thick cable. And it's a very special cable. Because that cable has a AC mains cable inside, so yeah, earth neutral and phase, and it has two wire shielded signal lines, and it's intended maybe as a replacement for that cable, which belongs to my laboratory water bath, and which cost me, yeah, some headaches, because, yeah, the digital signals going through it, besides AC mains, yeah, that's basically not going well. See the video about that here, chasing glitches, card link. The question is, will that cable fit my connectors? And that's the grommet with the largest inner diameter available for that kind of IP65 or something connectors, and yeah, it just fits. So yeah, that's probably going to be used with my laboratory water bath. Yeah, whole playlist. Again, card link. And that was the Summer Cable Monolith 2 combi cable, 2 DMX lines, which should be good enough for the 2 one-wire signals I want to transmit here, plus AC mains. And yeah, 617 now. I bought it for 10 bucks for 1 meter. Yeah, that stuff is expensive. So, and this little one here, I can open this with brute force, and I take out the paperwork because, yeah, nobody's interested in that. And the rest is, okay, that was really not planned. That was not planned, but these are plastic, yeah, very special plastic bushings for 8mm rods. Okay, I will only need 2 of them, but yeah, I bought 4 because, yeah, price was cheap. Okay, that works out nice so far. So, and these were the, well, bushings, plastic bushings. And this is a brand name, okay, Iglidur, and they are available in 8mm, 10, 12, 16, 20. They have a lot of industrial uses, so they are high quality. So 4 pieces set me back about $5, and yeah, $2 shipping. And I got them from the Hexa Cube Shop. Next small one. And I saw, yeah, the sender, so I know what's in here. Yeah, you don't need to see that. And that's, yeah. Okay, I zoomed down. A new set of M3 tabs for hand tapping threads, and yeah, because I broke one from my old set in that video, card link, and a whole bunch of stainless steel M3 set screws. So these were the tabs I bought, yeah, complete set, M3, $6.50 about-ish, and I paid shipping $1.90 only once. And they were from schraubengünstiger.de, which translates to screws cheaper. .de. Sorry, little schoolboy here. Anyway, there was something else from them. And that was these set screws, M3 12mm length, and 20 of them set me back for 30, and that, yeah, I didn't have to pay for shipping. And I will block this request, please. And I always order such stuff from this seller. They're really good, okay? Next small one. That's heavy. That's heavy. Okay, again, with the, only 3? No, 4. 4. And these are end mills for my milling machine. I zoomed down. So all should have a 6mm shaft. That's the largest that milling machine, yeah, card link can handle. Oh, that's obviously the largest one. 6mm shaft, 6mm end mill. And yeah, this should be 6, 5, 4, 3mm. And I'm out of shot. I'm sorry. Yeah, something like that, because what's having a milling machine without any mill bits doesn't make any sense. And now I can, if I wanted to, mill something. Okay. And if I had a look beforehand, I would have noticed that these little boxes are actually labeled. So 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter, all 6 millimeter shaft, end mill length, 8, 11, 13, 30 millimeter, and total length 52, 55, 57, 57. And these were the end mills, yeah, set 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeters for just 8.11, which is a really good price, and yeah, shipping 190. For some reason, shipping from China is often free, but if you ship inside Germany, you have to pay for it. Yeah. And this is from Technik Großhandel. I won't even try to translate that, okay? So, yeah, Technik distributor or something like that. Another small one, and yeah, I think I'm cutting this. Feels and looks Chinese, but it was sent from within Germany, and it's another servo, and I hope this time it's the right servo. Give me a second, because last time I bought basically the same servo, basically because this is a 360-degree servo, and your controller can tell it how fast it should turn. There's also, I'm probably out of cards, but there was a review of that card link. And this should be now the correct type that I wanted. Still, yeah, all Metal Gear. And it can basically only turn 180 degrees, and the controller tells it which position it assumes. That's what I wanted in the first place. Yeah, and that was my servo, an MG995, hopefully the right type this time, 180-degree swing, yeah, of the axis for $629 from Grey Sheep, including shipping. And I already bought that in June, so that listing isn't available anymore. Yeah. Another not so big box. Oh, Jesus, that was static electricity. No. This is actually, sorry, it hurts touching this tube. And I have no idea why. Let me sniff it carefully. It doesn't leak, but somehow, if I put this thumb no, I just have, I just somehow managed to get a splinter here into my thumb. I can see it. I won't show you how. I guess that splinter is some hardened tool steel that came off the milling tools. Okay, let me get out the splitter first. Well, if you have a really, really small splinter in your finger and it hits exactly the end of a nerve, it can feel like, yeah, when you touch something, like you get an electric shock or as somebody is dropping acid on your finger. But yeah, it's all fine, just a splinter. And this is glue specifically for, yeah, acrylic stuff or polycarbonate. That was the glue ACRIFIX for, plexiglass, and the website said polycarbonate too. We'll see. And that was from Firatech. I have no translation for you there. And it was $9.80 and free delivery. And the last box, which is quite large. And this will contain, of course, if I can get it open. Come on. Yeah, paperwork, which you don't have to see. Well, not what I ordered, obviously. I can see that because, it's obviously polycarbonate. Again, it probably says something. Macrolon, polycarbonate. But they all have the same size. I'm pretty sure I'm ordered 2 different sizes. Yeah. So yes, these are obviously 4 plates of 8mm, that's correct. Polycarbonate 200 by 200, but I ordered 2 plates 200 by 200 and 2 plates 300 by 200. So I guess I will have to get on the phone tomorrow, because I wouldn't have minded 4 plates 200 by 300. You can always make things smaller, but you can't make them bigger. And besides, they cheated me on the price that way. So these were the Macrolon polycarbonate plates, and 200 by 200, 8mm thick for about $4.50. And the 200 by 300 were $6.70, and I got that from Acrylic Glass 24, and I had to pay shipping only once for all 4 plates, but as we saw, I paid for 2 times 3 by 200 and 2 times 2 by 200, but I received 4 times 2 by 200. I'll give them a call. So I'm filming this segment a week later or so, and as I told you, the next day I gave the company a call, and they immediately agreed without any further formalities to send out the wrong parts, well, the parts with the wrong measurements in the right measurements and dimensions to me. And I have to blacken this, sorry. But as you can, maybe you can read that, this has been repacked because on the way the package was damaged. So I'm really interested to see, taking this out, if I got now the right stuff. And it almost looks like it. So these plates are indeed 30 or 300 millimeters by 200 millimeters. I'm happy. So, the group picture, I'm still a little bit miffed about, the wrong delivery here with the polycarbonate plates. And no, I'm no longer miffed because, I got the right plates now. But basically, and some things are already missing. We can have the mill bits here because I already put them away. But anyway, the polycarbonate acrylic glue, of course, and this axle or linear guide rod with the bushings and the servo, and yeah, I also need these set screws. We'll go into a new project. Yeah, and till then, bye.